Okay, here's something that we love to do here, and that's a quick funnel review. Let's try to wrap it up under 10 minutes, but the goal is to review a skincare brand, and that's actually one of our favorite brands because there are a lot of things interesting to check on their website. So let's try to do it quickly, and it's time to review Frank Body, which is an Australian brand of skincare. So right on, the first thing that we can see on their website, so in their homepage, the above the fold section, and it's okay. Here's something. It's a bit I'd say overwhelming because I can see a lot of things, and this thing is moving as well. I have a pop-up already there. This thing is moving as well, so it's pretty lively, and there are a lot of things to check. So free shipping on orders of more than 20 euros, so that's great because that's something that I need to know right away. But they're telling me right now, that's a bit annoying, but that the heads up, we're experiencing shipping delays. So right over, I can see save over 30 euros, but I don't know exactly how. I guess it's because they're speaking here about a bundle, so we're gonna see that later. And I have this pop-up, pants off, 10% off your first purchase. Give your inbox some love with new products, tips, and more. And that's a great pop-up, and I kind of love their wording as well. Everything's clear. Pants off, 10% off your first purchase. It's fun. It's right within their branding, and it's actually super clear. I can just sign up there and I'll get 10% off my first purchase. So I just hit maybe later. We'll see if we'll have the time within this review to check that out. Mega glowy skin meets mega savings. That's what the save over 30 euros is about. Shop my mega complexion crew. And that's a kit, so that's right away a bundle. We're gonna check that later. If I continue over their homepage, I do have their, actually the main explanation of the brand, coffee-based skincare. That's who they are. Why? To leave you smooth, perky, and pantless. That's fun, and that's, again, right into their branding. Enough introductions, time to get naked. Why are they saying time to get naked? It's because they do actually a great job at featuring their user-generated content. So, and that shows as well in their, so for instance here, that shows as well in their branding and in their in the name of their products. So original coffee scrub, more than 3,000 reviews, 5 stars. So we definitely gonna check this one. That's the best seller. And but first coffee kit. So that's again is right on branding. So what can I say about the first product grid? So the best sellers, I can see right away that they're right on point. Actually, there are a lot of good things there. I can see, okay, selling fast, bestseller, selling fast again. So it's telling me right away, actually, that those items are popular. I can see the amount of reviews and the average grade. The name of the product is actually maybe not self-explanatory, but it's fun, and I do understand what is it. Guess what? You'll be naked in 1 minute. So I can see actually that it's a fun brand, and on their, yeah, and I can have a look at their product, and that the products are, you know, with fun wordings as well. And then I can access those. So those are icons that are actually explaining to me why their products are unique. And that's great, a great thing to add there. And then add to bag and the price. So within one screen here, I can see what are the best sellers, the amount of reviews, why the product is unique, and the price. So that's great. And if I continue over the landing page, newsflash, smooth skin in 5 minutes, you do get it. And baby mama kit. So that's, I guess, newsflash, that should be a new product or a new kit that they've made available. But first, Instagram, that's fun as well. Scroll for beauty, click to shop my feed. That was what I was telling at the beginning. They do a great job at featuring user-generated content. So that's the same. I've had ex-boyfriends who have pleased me less than the scrub verified buyer. If I do click to see more, it doesn't work right away. Maybe it's just my computer, but here, social proof right away from users, and that's a great thing. Maybe it could have happened even just before Instagram. Actually, the slideshow doesn't work there, but okay. And then about, yeah, the main icons about the brands as well. From Australia, paraben-free, cruelty-free, naturally derived. And if I missed the first pop-up there, pence off, 10% off your first purchase is also available on every page on the footer. So if I do continue, let's say, if I hit the nav bar, they do have a hover that shows me, and that's a great thing to do. It's actually showing me, before even clicking, the main items that I will find and an image that will explain me. So not really related to the items, but things about the brand, mostly, I guess. So, for instance, you can check that out by yourself, but they're also known because of their referral program that is called Hotel Pink. So I encourage you guys to have a look at it, because it's very well done and very engaging towards users to get into not only a referral program, but Hotel Pink. It's not even just a referral program. It's way much more. And let's check how the collection pages are doing. Babe certified products, that's fun, that's there. All right, I can see the main tree that I saw before. Now those are even different, but I can see the icons again. I don't know, I guess they're images. Yeah, they're images with the reviews, and I do have the exact same pattern as we saw on the homepage. I'm new, vegan, free A mask, and then on top of the main thing that they put there as a label on the product image, I have the 3 icons there that tells me why this product might be interesting for me. Best cruelty-free and natural skincare product, you've come to the right place. Maybe this part needs a bit more text. Might have been done for SEO purposes. It's a bit weird to see that at this place, actually. But at the same time, it's at the very end of the page. It's a bit weird, actually. For me, this part needs a bit more work, at least to design work, just to integrate more within the page. I do guess that was for SEO purposes. All right, if I do continue, I do have actually 2 product pages that are already there, so I'm gonna check those ones. So I have the title of the product, all the images at the right, and I can see right away people that are actually using the product, and that's great for skincare. And I do have the gallery there. Even more, I have a YouTube video that should explain me what the kit is about. I can't actually remove the sound, so I'm gonna keep it there. So that's a kit page. Okay, I do have the price. I do have the amount of savings that I do have, a 6-week completion, loading crew, a description, then everything the kit includes. Then, and that's a great thing to do as well. It's to feature actually one of the best reviews that you might have on the product right away within the description of the product page, so people can see it right away. It's a bit long, so I don't have actually my add to back button in the above the fold section. So that's a miss, but I guess it's because this products page is way more long than the others. We're gonna check that with the other one. And then I have, again, a mention of the free shipping on orders over $20 there, which is great. I do need this kind of information just around the add to cart button, so it's there. And then because it's a kit, they actually show me with the description everything about the products that are integrated in the kit, and that's great. I would just quit this line. I would gain a bit more space. Oh, and if I click view ingredients, then I do have there. And it's great, super interesting to actually feature all the ingredients even in a kit. Yeah, even in a kit page. And if I do click here, I will actually come on the products right away. So, all right, that was for the product page of a kit. That's their bestseller. They're known for this product, and they have been copied by a lot of brands. So that's interesting too. That's the most interesting actually product page to check. So the title of the product, Original Coffee Scrub, their bestseller, the same, I guess. Yeah, I do have, I guess we could have photos that are with a better quality, because if I do zoom in, I can see the pixels right away. So that's a miss as well. But I do have the title, the amount of review, the average grading, the price, the amount of product, and a small description that works well. It's short, it's to the point, time to get naked as well. Psst, babe, heads up, I also contain nuts. Then the main three icons that we spoke about that are also featured in the homepage or in the collection page, but within any product grid. And then the add to back button with the free shipping. And this time, because it's just a product page, the inside me section features the ingredients that we saw before. And I do guess that if I do click here, I'm going to see the same thing. Now I'm just seeing the details and then don't recall all the ingredients there, but same. I see all the main ingredients that they're using, and they explain it with regular words why they're using it. So it's great. Yeah, cold pressed sweet almond oil and no kerosene unpacked oil that leaves your skin hydrated even after rinsing the scraps off. And so that's great. How to use me, that's a great section to have as well, especially because they do they do a great work on that as well. They did work especially on their wording, skin type, babes, smell orange frappuccino, didn't know that was a smell. Step 1, 2, 3, 4, and the step 1 is always to get naked and get in the shower. So that's a great way to explain how to use your product actually. Be smart on the wording that you can use there. And before and after, you smell. That's great. They're playing on jokes, and it's always a nice thing to do. And then they also have their video that shows how to use the original coffee scrub. It's great. It's a great video for this. And then I have all the reviews, 60 Q&As as well. So I can check all the questions of the users and the buyers. And also all the reviews, and I can actually filter them. I have even a boyfriend filter, and that's fun. Okay, for only 3 reviews, but that's fun. That's a great thing to do. Skin goal, skin concern, skin type. Since they do have that much reviews, you can really play with the reviews to see. Oh wow, 0 1-star review. 0 2-star reviews. Okay, that's great. That's actually great. Oh no, it's because I was hitting the boyfriend. Okay, it would have been, I was surprised, but with reason. They do have some, but since they do have that much 5-star reviews, and it's an awesome job that they're doing, they can actually play with all those filters. And then if I do continue, I have reviews of the product on Instagram, and then product recommendation that are, what was the price again? Yeah, 17. Maybe it would be interesting, since the product pages are a bit long, to actually update this part to feature the add to bag button when I do scroll down. But yeah, all those items are actually mainly kits, and they do it, I guess, to improve the average cart amount. This may be the greatest body scrub of all time. Great review by Nylon, and I do guess that's, I don't know this media, but I do guess it's press. So here we go. That's great. I'm gonna add it to my bag and see how things are. All right, how things are going when I'm just adding the thing they're known for. So their best seller. Unfortunately for me, but I guess it's done on purpose, I do need to add something more on my cart to hit the free shipping mark. Something that I might do actually is here, because I have so much white space, is actually to feature me 1 or 2 products that will allow me to get this free shipping mark without having to browse again on other product pages. So that's a miss as well. I do guess that they could have a better use of this space. If I'm adding 2, I've got free shipping, the same. Maybe at some point they could add, if you hit, I don't know, 40 euros in your cart, then you will get a free item or something else, and still use all this white space. So I guess that if I go to checkout, I'm just gonna go towards the regular, Shopify. Check out something more to say there. They have a Shopify Plus, so they have been able to, oh, that's great, to customize it a little bit, but that's pretty much classic. So yeah, that was all for Frank Body, and as they do say it, well, yeah, time to get naked. Oh, last thing, yeah, just if you have the time, go check their Hotel Pink program, which is actually the name of their referral program. Well, it's great. It's not for every brand, because you do need, actually development capacities and everything, but it's a great way and a great inspiration. Well, great guys. Bye-bye.